Chapter 9. Introduction to Robots and Robotics. Introduction to Robots and Robotics. A robot is a reprogrammable and multifunctional machine which is designed to perform a variety of tasks. In other words, a robot is a machine that is programmed by a computer and can do many actions. It was coined by a Czech novelist Karel Čapek in a 1920 play titled Rossum's Universal Robots, RUR. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science which deals with the design, construction, operation, and the use of robots, including the design of computer, their control, and information processing. It is used to develop machines for replicating human actions. It requires both sensing and intelligence as well as understanding the psychology and sociology of human interactions. Classification of robots. A robot can be classified based on its uses and applications, which are based on levels. Simple level robots. It is a simple robot which cannot complete any complex task. For example, washing machines. Middle-level robots. It is once programmed which cannot be reprogrammed. For example, fully automatic washing machines. Complex level robots. It can be programmed and reprogrammed easily. For example, laptops or computers. Based on working. Fixed robots. These robots used in manufacturing are examples of fixed robots. They cannot move their base away from the place where work being done. They are mainly used in industries and surgeries. Mobile robots. These robots move around in any platforms with wheels or tracks attached. Instead of wheels or tracks, some robots employ legs to move about. For example, self-driving cars, vacuum cleaners, and drones. Based on application. Industrial robots. These robots are created to perform simple and repetitive tasks in a well-defined environment. Today's industrial robots can change objects in different positions and even recognize various objects. Service robots. This type of robots can interact with humans closely. They are used to help humans in tasks like cleaning, vacuum cleaners, transportation, self-driving cars, defense applications, drones, and medical procedures, surgery, etc. Space robots. These types of robots are used in space shuttles. They are used in international space stations, together with Mars explorers and the other robots. They are employed in space exploration and other such activities. Military robots. Being in army is a tough job and robots help to make the work of the soldiers easier. There are often bomb threats, and the drones help in pinpointing the various locations of these bombs, which acts as a big help to the army men. History of robotics. What happened? 1920s robotics was first introduced into our vocabulary by Czech playwright Karel Čapek. 1954. George Devol created the first industrial robot, called the Programmable Article Transfer Device. 1956. George Devol applied for a patent for the first programmable robot, later named Unimate. 1966-68. Shaky, a mobile robot is developed by SRI, Stanford Research Institute. Shaky was capable of planning, route finding, and moving objects. 1979. SCARA, Selective Compliant Articulated Robot for Assembly, introduced in Japan and the US by Adept Technologies. 1980s. Legged and hopping robots, Biper, Shimoyama, and Rebirth 1986 came into existence. 1984 to 91 Hogg, Martin and Resnick at MIT create mobile robots using Lego blocks. 1986, Honda starts work on its first humanoid robot named E0, later to become Asimo. 1991 First Helpmate mobile autonomous robot used in hospitals. 1999 Sony introduces Aibo, an autonomous robotic dog capable of seeing, walking, and interacting with its environment. 2002 iRobot introduces Roomba, a personal robotic vacuum cleaner. 2003 Osaka University unveils their first Actroid, the term given for a humanoid robot with strong visual human characteristics. 2010 NASA and General Motors join forces to develop Robonaut 2, the new version of NASA's humanoid robot astronaut. Laws of robotics. Asimov proposed 3 laws of robotics and later added the zeroth law. Law 0. A robot may not injure humanity or through inaction, allow humanity to come to harm. Law 1. A robot may not injure a human being or through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm, unless this would violate a higher order law. Law 2. A robot must obey orders given to it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the higher order law. Law 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the higher order law. Application of robotics. Robots are being used in all different fields like agriculture, automobile, construction, entertainment, healthcare, hospitals, patient care, surgery, research, etc., laboratories, science, engineering, etc., law enforcement, surveillance, patrol, etc., manufacturing, military, demining, surveillance, attack, etc., mining, excavation, and exploration, transportation, air, ground, rail, space, etc., utilities, gas, water, and electric, warehouse. Famous Indian robots. There are some famous robots which were invented in India. Let us learn about some of them in detail. Manav. Manav is India's first 3D printed humanoid robot. It is about 2 feet tall and was unveiled at the IIT Mumbai Tech Fest. It can perform various tasks such as walking, talking, and even dancing, all through voice commands. This humanoid robot found its place in engineering and research institutes for educational purposes. ERA. ERA is developed by HDFC Bank Limited and serves as a friendly face at one of their branches in Mumbai. Initially, ERA greeted customers and provided them with a list of services offered by the bank. Now, it also interacts with them, answering bank-related queries and frequently asked questions. Mitra. Mitra is a versatile customer service robot which is developed by Bangalore-based Invento Robotics. It gained recognition after its appearance at the GES 2017 summit, where it opened the event and interacted with prominent figures like Ivanka Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. With a screen attached to its chest, Mitra facilitated communication and assisted medical staff by taking readings and providing timely reminders to patients. Robocop. Robocop is a policing assistant robot which is stationed at the Kerala Police Headquarters in Thiruvananthapuram. It interacts directly with visitors, providing directions and assisting with administrative tasks. It can even fix meetings, issue identity cards, and maintain records of visitors, showcasing its ability to handle multiple functions effectively. Indro. Indro is the tallest robot which was built using low-cost materials within a household setting. It is designed for various purposes, including household chores, entertainment, and educational activities. Its human-like hands can handle weights up to 2 kilograms, enabling it to perform a wide range of actions. It excels in precision and speed, making it capable of handling multiple tasks efficiently. In summary, a robot is a machine that is programmed by a computer and can do many complex actions automatically. Depending upon the use and application, robots can be classified into 3 types: simple level, middle level, and complex level robots. Fixed robots are mostly used in industries with well-defined work environment adapted for robots. Mobile robots move around and perform tasks in large, uncertain environments. Robotics deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots, including the design of computer systems for their control, sensory feedback, and information processing.